Ma'am Sawati, I see video music test. I'm kind of sounding by Nazi. I Hinmalle. Irang to we can understand that. Irang to Ma'am Singje. Hoy Satra Ma'am, Baban like them me, Tabak to Ma'am Yauri. I do a Tabak to Ma'am Yauri. Masida Kaitare. Ma'am, you money, Ma'am Yauri. The packet never. Irang Sinaco. I see the prices ticket fat ke moment Gazilo, Delhi to Infal Gazi, Mamanzilo, Sally Huduga, as no hangre. Better Carva, the whole series in Lanzida. As in Lan Lactaga, the price the name of the money. Angang Sing Barun citizen Mamsinje, whoever wants to go back home, especially those notice people or God, like whoever wants to go to their God home back, like price should be flight price should be very less because of this crisis, because everyone wants to go back home. It's very much important. But even I am saying, as a father, I have 2 daughters staying over there in Delhi. I have never asked them to come back over here. I highly say, stay there, serve. Whatever comes up, be there, serve. Whoever comes from the other state, if anything happens over there in Delhi, serve them. Though I have no son in my life, but I have 4 daughters and they are still there in Delhi. And I say, no halakano, other sebato. Mating pangu meamgi. I want mating pang. Any talk mating pangu. Hoichina or Rama is Mamdel. My man Punzelaga, Kakan Tano, the Topa Hogiman Pugizu. Mamlay Mams, the Tanaga, mating pang. Don't come back. Don't come running from there. Be a citizen of India. Be there. Serve your people the best you can. Go, China Pianido. I will see God a palm Germany. So get palm money. Do it. Like for it. You'll be the luckiest person to do that. Serve people. Don't come go back home. China Piani Lehozi. I angry Yamaga. I go to Mother. Mating Pang Miami. I want a Mating Pang. Give your best in high agency. Lakano, Yumda. Mating Pang. Labor, Nordiski Pazamian. Matizante. Naga, cookie, Mati Pangan, Wigira. Even a topo labor committee, Mam, Nordiski Mam, never Puzilla Mating Pang. I don't know Indian labor, India, who Indian in a. I want a Mating Pang. I want a tapazi, Mating Pang, ching the Mating Pang. Citizen or Indian citizen of one day, like them ching the Mating Pangu. Mate Massage Chilakadavnati, a from labor of home to the net. China viewers, be like a hero, live there and serve your people the best you can. Humanity, don't be up to in China Penny. Hi, ma'am, Delhi Tatu Chelo, land torrent, no, Chen Bendy. No, Chelo, little home, ma'am, to the Mantova. Manpugi Natagazu, Nagalanguage and Tagato, the chain of the memory went over. Mumating Paham, Chen Biarway. Self to you, Himinagadabne. What we can do, we'll think about it. Let's serve as citizens of India, let's help each other. That's very important in life. Crisis like under, when crisis comes in India, we have to serve in India, as a citizen of India. We don't have to just leave the place where you are right now. You should be there and be there and help this citizen where you are right now. That's very important, which I believe as a citizen of India. Be there. And I'll be very proud as a father. Janu Power Ganupiugra, that's same. Let's serve India. Yar Jindigi Jio, Bas. See Matamze, it's the right time for us to show what we can do as a citizen of India, as a citizen of Manipur, what we can do for the people of India. As a human being, what we can do. That's very important. So don't leave your place, be there, and face those consequences. Those things may come, but face all those things and help. And let's live together. That's very important. Which I say, don't leave and just run away from there. Be there and serve the people. Please don't get panic and just run away from there. Be there and serve the best you can as an Indian citizen and as a Manipur citizen. And I'll be proud to see my people of Manipur serving there. I'll be very proud of myself that seeing myself as a Northeast people have been serving over there. Instead of running, leaving those places, be there, serve what we can do for India, and what we can do for our Northeast. That's very important. It's the right time for us to show, as a Northeast people, as an Indian, what we can do for India. Be there. Please don't go away. And let's prove that what we can do for India. Both my daughters there in Delhi. I've been saying that don't come back home. Give your best service over there. It's all किस्मत में लिखा हुआ जो भी लिखा जाएगा वो अलग बात है लेकिन करना है. It's the right time for you people to prove as an Indian. Serve your people what you can. Serve your people what you can. That's the thing what we are living for, what we are born for. Especially all the North people, we all have to get united in this, particularly in this issue, because who knows, and even in Northeast also, things may come up, and we have to be careful, and we have to take care, and we have to prepare, like what is going to, if anything happens in Northeast, we all have to get united, and we have to be very much, concerned, and like we have to be very much, united. Anything can happen. We doesn't know what will do, what can, what may we face tomorrow. कल क्या होगा हम लोग को पता नहीं, भी नोटिस में भी हो सकेगा, कुछ भी हो जाएगा, हम लोग को पता भी नहीं होगा कि ये हो गया बोले कल. We all have to get united. Even in Northeast also, the people living in Northeast also, we all have to get united. We have to be very strong as an Indian. And my Northeast people who are living in India also, we don't have to run away from there. We all have to be there. And we have to serve as an Indian, be there, be practical, and we have to be there. Don't run away. Please. Running away will never, fulfill our dream. And, it will make us all, more guilty that, नोटिस का आदमी लोग सब भाग गया भाई, जब वो होता है तो वो सब चला गया. वैसे कभी नहीं करना है, कभी हम लोग को नहीं, वो भी नहीं दिखाना है. हम लोग नोटिस है, हम लोग वहीं पे रहेंगे. जब भी क्या कहते हैं इसको यार, if any incidents comes over here, we are there to face all these incidents. As an Indian, we are going to be there, and we have to be there. And I request all my people, don't panic, don't get panic. Nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen in India. Don't get panic. Nothing is going to happen. Don't run away. Don't get panic. Nothing is going to happen in India. Be there. India is very safe. Long live Northeast, long live Manipur, long live India. Love you all. Please don't get panic. Let's serve as a citizen of India. Let's be there. Whatever consequence comes up, we will have to, help each other. That's very important. Don't run away. I love you all. Chalo, good night.